Hello everyone! Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can add a background in your Google Meet meeting. Before we proceed further, make sure you leave a like and hit subscribe button. Also, this tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. So, firstly, let's say you already have a meeting going on. You will need to go a lower right corner to spot yourself, and obviously you have to click there. Also, you will see option with effect icon and you have to tap there once again. Now you have slide options and there is where magic starts. Here you can pick generic background Google Meet provides for users, or you can add your own, but for that you have to watch another video on our YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed in this tutorial, make sure once again to leave a like and hit subscribe button for more.